Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Okay, guys, it's Sunday, June 16th, 2024, and we are doing an update on the road construction going into Accra from our area. So here's what we got going on. We're on this side this time. This whole area here will be the main highway. So this is close to where the old Pobyman toll booth was. So you see this is where the road will start to ascend. We see how the gutters are on the side. The access road is where we normally come, but we didn't come that way this time. So here is what we're looking like. You see how the wall is over there? They'll be filling all the way up. So that will be the main way. This side will be the access road. So now we're going to the access road. And you see, guys, they're working. They're working. They're doing a great job. It's not an easy work. And they're doing a great job. So they actually have the scaffolding here, which is very nice to see, and they're putting the forms up, or I think they've already put them up. I think I saw cement inside. So those are the forms, and that's where they'll pour the cement. You see what it'll look like when they take it off. Yeah. So I'm not really sure what the pipes are coming out, but we'll see eventually. They're going to fill it all the way up. See how that wall is? And you'll be driving and come up on this bridge. So this will probably be like a roundabout underneath, I'm guessing. That's what we're thinking. And today happens to be Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers, grandfathers, future fathers. Pray you have a very blessed day, or had a very blessed and wonderful day. We honor you and thank God for your lives. There's a picture of how it will look when it's finished, the Lord willing. So we are on our way. Nana is here, and my husband. We're very grateful and thankful. Here we go. They're really moving along on this part. Really moving along. That's a lot of things to put together there. Okay, as you can see, imagine doing that by hand. One section at a time. It's a lot. So they're really on it. They're really doing a great job. And we're excited to see the progress. Take you guys along with us. I hope you're really enjoying these videos, and I hope you're noticing the progress. I think the videos are good because you can watch maybe one of the earliest ones, right? And then come back and watch one of the more recent ones and really see how it's transformed. Look at all this stuff they've put here to fill. It's a lot. So they're really working on this wall. This will be the descend right? So we ascended over where the roundabout will be, and then I'm guessing it's a roundabout, guys. It looks like it. If not, it's underpass, right? Overpass. And now that, look at the work, guys. They're really working hard. Look at that. You think that's easy, but it's not easy. They're taking the wood off now. You see? They're doing it piece by piece. Putting the forms up, pouring the cement. After they've already put the iron rods, welded, and all that stuff. Then they're putting the forms and the cement. They've got the waterproof. You see on this side too, the waterproof. So it will be filled all the way up. And this will be the descend, where we will be descending. There's our landmark, whichever this house might be. The red, black, and gold with the white stripes. That's one of our landmarks we always look at. The market is going on. Yep. Got the market going on there. And here we are. So this place, you know, it will come back down. And they're selling cows and stuff.
Where they going this side or that side? This will go there.
I guess. Sometimes, guys, it's not real clear. They could do a little bit better about the direction. I guess this is the place we're supposed to go. They could be a little bit more clear in some places at some times about where you're supposed to drive, but we figure it out. Yeah, I guess this was the right place because I don't really see anybody. The other side is probably being used as access road at this point. So here we go here. You'll see, like, when it's finished, the lanes will all be going this way, and on that side they'll all be coming back. So here's a lot of work they're doing here with the gutter system. You see those forms are different, right? They're kind of rounded. That's how the gutter system looks. They've done all that work back in there too. The culvert. Yep. Wow, this is nice. This is a nice area we're riding on right now. We're actually able to go about 30, guys. That's a huge improvement. Huge. So as you see, they don't have the water trucks out right now. It's kind of dusty, right? So they'll probably be getting the water trucks out to keep that dust down and make driving a bit safer. Yep. So here we are. It's really looking nice. I'm really pleased with the work that they're doing. In my non-expert opinion, they're doing an excellent job. The walkway is coming along. You see somebody's up there working. Yep, the walkway is coming along. So once they get all the scaffolding and everything up there, it looks like it's taking a while, but you know, they have to pour cement and let it sit and all of that good stuff. So yeah, well, that's what we got. So they're doing good here. Gutters. They've already covered the part where you see how high the road is going to go up, because that's the place you'll be going, you know, accessing this side over here. So they'll be filling all of this in. It will be smooth. And there's the gutter. I'm not really sure how this gutter will look when they finish it I'm guessing they will cover it. I got a lot of work going on over there as well, which we'll see that on the way back, right? The Lord willing. You'll get a separate video on the ride home. You see how they put all the forms? I'm just gonna make a wall like that wall there. Sorry for the bumps, guys, but you know it. It's road construction. So now we're going about 10, right? So you see the significance when the road is completed. You'll be able to go through quickly, and that will just connect our area of Accra to the rest of it that much better, right? If you guys are looking to relocate, just let us know. You can come and be our neighbor. This is how it's looking, because I really see a significant amount of work being done each time. They're really, really doing great. Okay guys, so here we are. This is another like overhead. They're really moving quick on this one here. Really moving quick on this. Because last time we just saw part of the pillars, right? And now they've cast the cement on some of them. Still working on the others. I guess this one will look like this right here. Here's the market. Yep. And this is the bank that we always see in Amasaman. You guys can slow that down and check it out. See where we are. The market's going on well. Okay, so here's some more of the construction on this end. You see them up there working. It's a lot of work, guys, a lot of work. The crane is moving about. I'm not sure what they're doing over there. So this is the little intersection here at Amasaman. They've done a lot here. They've got culverts. And yeah, the market people are getting pushed back. But we hope and pray that everybody finds the place that they can still be able to sell their goods and sustain their families. We know God will make a way for them. You see, they're used to being in a certain spot, right? And they're used to having things a certain way, and people are used to where they are. When you have to move, sometimes it can be challenging, but change isn't always easy. But at the end of the day, we can find that a lot of times, even if change is uncomfortable, that God can make a way for it to prosper even more as you come through it. So that's my prayer for the market people, that God will make a way that they will prosper even more. Okay, here's the Amasaman Total Station. And you see how the wall has come. So now we're riding on the access road. There are the gutters. Wow, they've done that little piece of road right there. Nice, very, very nice. It's a start, guys. You don't have to wait to see, a big, giant amount of progress going on. Be thankful in the small things, little by little. I always tell Nana, slow and steady wins the race, right? Mm-hmm. There's the Fidelity Bank. This bank is fairly new. Hasn't even been there a year. Probably not even 6 months. So they will have a nice road access. This is the overhead walkway. You see they're filling in this middle section. You see the color is different, right? Yep, they've been filling that in. I don't know exactly what they're using, guys, because I don't really know road construction much. So the overhead, you're going to get your exercise. But you see, if the stairs are hard for you, they also have the ramp. So they haven't completed the ramp yet. You'll walk a little bit further going on the ramp, but at least it will be a gradual slope and you'll get there, right? So I'm really pleased at the way they do that. For some people, you guys know it, sometimes your knees, don't allow you to do stairs very well. Okay, here we go. We'll see the middle again. You see they'll be filling it up to where the holes are there. That's where the water will exit from the roadway to the gutters. You see that I've got the gutters situated here. I've covered them. So that part will be up. So the pillars we just recently saw, that will be the descent. This will be the descent down from that area. And you'll be descending down back to the main road. So here is the Steve Ruth Driving School. For those of you who are familiar, we've seen that before as a landmark. Overall, I think we're going through this area a bit quicker than we were last time. Even amongst the rain, we've had some really heavy rain. Really have. Heavy rain. Things are going on well. His load tipped over. So here is another market. It's the small market. And this one, North Bokwasi, right? This is North Bokwasi. So that's where we are now. And here's what we got going on with the road. So you see this side will be the access, right? On that side over there will be the access over there. So yeah, we hope and pray that we'll get the water trucks out here to make things a bit safer. And for those walking too, not only is it, it's a bit safer for driving, right? And for those walking, the dust is there. You always have a disadvantage. Here's the St. Moses Hospital. You always have a disadvantage in things, but the dust being kept down outweighs the mud, right? So here's our sign. Yep. So we're coming up to the Pokwasi interchange. There's the overhead. The overhead walkway. See how it will be, guys? God bless you. Okay. So one lady wanted to get a ride. She was right there outside our gate when we came out, and she wanted to take a ride to the junction, but then she learned we were coming even further here. So yeah, she's on her way to church, and save her a little bit of money and give her a nice ride. So that's what we did. So this is the Pokwasi interchange. Yep. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Thank you for riding with us today. We really, really appreciate you. And I understand those of you who ride with us and come with us, because we there's that big green and yellow house. Because when we were in the States, I used to watch videos like this. I wanted to ride with you in Accra or anywhere in Ghana and see how things are. So they're using those little pavers over there. See, they're putting them together on the wall. Yep. This side, they got the gutter, they got the cellars. You see how they're doing the iron rods and the gutter. That place is kind of small, so I don't know. Is that really going to be the access road? Because that's kind of a small place. We'll have to wait and see. So you see the little pavers? You see what they're doing with them over there? You guys might have to slow the video down to see it better. But the little wall, let's see if I can get it for you. See? Those are the pavers. They put the pavers like that for the gutter. I guess it's just prefabricated to make the gutter go a little bit faster, right? That's my guess, guys. If you know, let me know in the comments. That's my guess. They've prefabricated those blocks, paver things, so that they can use them and put it together a bit faster than actually casting the cement, you know, in every single place. You see the road is going to go way up. Yep, the road is going to go way up. Maybe they're gonna widen this side too. Maybe they just, I don't know, the way the wall was close back there. We'll have to watch and see what happens there. I'm not really sure. Or it's just a one-way. I don't know. You see, guys? You see how close the wall is to the gutter? Like, maybe only one car can fit through there. Maybe only one car can fit there, so I don't know what that is, what they're doing. Not ideal to break down there, but what you gonna do? You can choose it. So see, here's a section right here. They do have some of the Chinese. What I've learned, it's a Ghanaian-owned company, but I don't know if they've hired some of the Chinese, I don't know, maybe engineers or something. I'm not really sure. But you do see some of the Chinese people that are helping, like overseeing, or maybe not so much overseeing, but maybe just kind of consulting, I guess is what I would say. Yep. So this place will all be filled up, right? Yep. Guessing. At least to a certain level. The way they put the damp proof on the wall, it makes me think it will be filled up to a certain level. And here's this. Guys, they have been really diligently working on this thing here. So this might be another, like, overpass circle. And we're getting close to the pigs. You see some of the houses are broken a little bit. Those are the ones that, for so long, the road wasn't being done, and then they encroach. And then when the time comes, they have no say in the matter. The government has to knock the part of the house down because you've encroached, right? That's what's important when you're getting your land here in Ghana. You make sure you get your land title. Then you're secure. You're secure. It's registered and everything. If you're in a main proposed highway place, they will tell you. Now, if not, they will give you the land title, and they can't just come and, take your land from you like that. But when you don't do your paperwork properly, that's some of the things that could happen. That's why when we help our clients, we make sure that everything is legitimate, everything is genuine, everything is correct, and you don't have those issues, right? So this is the pigs area. Oh, I saw a little pig. You guys know I love animals. There's the pigs. Do you see the pigs, guys? I saw it a little bit. All right. If you guys are watching this channel, I am sure you also like animals. Everybody on the mini farm is doing well so far. Yeah. The Peter Rabbit family is doing well. I'll get you guys another update on the mini farm as well. But today is road day, right? And yesterday I had a video uploading for the longest time, guys. It still isn't uploaded. So, like I always tell you, if you don't see a video, no, it's probably still uploading. Giving me a little bit of a hard time for some reason. I haven't figured it out completely yet. But yeah, you will definitely get one video for every day, the Lord willing, and it will come up. It will come up eventually. We hope and pray it'll come up today, and we'll be able to make it a available for you guys. Like I said, I'm trying to get ahead, but it seems like when I get ahead, then after a while, I get right back where I was. So that's what the walkway will look like, the ones we've seen. And now look, guys, we are hitting close to 70. Now imagine the difference, right? When you're coming from where we are. We were doing 10 at one point. I looked over 10 miles an hour. So you do the math. How much faster can you get into Accra when you're doing 60 or 70 rather than 10? And we're talking miles per hour. Yeah. So that is what it is, guys. So that is why we advise you, if you want to buy land, get it now, secure it now, because you see how quick this is going on. When we're able to do even 30 or 40 the whole way, I'm sure they'll want to raise the price, right? Because you're not doing 10 anymore, you're doing 30 or 40. You're really making better time. How much more when it's all paved and everything. So if you guys are interested in being our neighbor, now is probably a great time for you to gather resources however you can and get it together. Just get the land, guys, and secure the land. Yep, before it goes up. Things are going up. I think it's worldwide. It's not just here in Ghana, but worldwide, things are going up. I know it might be difficult, but if it's your plan, you will not regret doing it sooner rather than later. So I'm just telling you for your benefit. And you know how to contact us, aaimcs.com. Go to the contact us page and contact us on WhatsApp. And we'll be happy to help you talk through, like, share ideas and stuff like that, and see if it's a fit for you, right? It might not be for you, or you might not want to be right where we are. You might want to be further out on some farmland or something like that. We can help you, let you know, answer your questions, and yeah. So we're available. Contact us and we will be glad to talk to you guys. We love talking to you guys. Yep. So you see, they have stores and stuff here. You're not very far, even with the road as it is. You're not very far from places. Malcolm is a pretty big store. We've had some clients come here with just their suitcases and then buy all of their things at Malcolm. So you can buy furniture and everything there, groceries, whatever you want. Yep. So I think I'm going to let it go at that, guys. We have completed our road construction video. And the Lord willing, I will get you one on the way back home. Okay, have a very blessed day. Till next time, God bless you.